programming tutorial, understood everything while watching it, but after a few days you forgot everything. The problem might not be your memory, but your programming notes. Hi, I'm Samriddhi and I've been learning Java for past 4 years. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make programming notes the right way. One of the biggest mistakes every beginner makes is to write every single thing from the lecture. A 2-hour lecture became 20 pages note, but you don't revise it. So the solution is, for example, if you're learning arrays, don't write everything from the tutorial, just write a small definition like this. Let's talk about a simple method that you can follow for every programming topic. So layer 1 is first writing what the concept does. For example, like this. Layer 2 is to write a basic syntax like this. Layer 3 is to write a simple example from which you can understand the concept like this. And layer 4 is to write down the mistakes or the tricks from which you can understand the concept easily like this. So the whole notes of one topic looks like this. Another important thing is to maintain a error notes. For example, if you found an error, write error, reason and solution. These small notes will help you debug faster. Step 4. Keep updating your notes. Your programming knowledge will keep growing and your notes should grow with that. As you find better approaches, new methods or discover something important, just quickly instantly update your notes. Step 5. Use diagrams and flowcharts. Programming is not only about just writing the codes. Sometimes visualization is also important and it can make your concept much more easier. So whenever possible, just include some small diagrams or flowcharts in your notes. Your programming notes should not be of 50 pages. It should just be able to answer 3 questions. Number 1, what is the concept? Number 2, how do I use it? And number 3, what mistakes should I avoid? So stop making programming notes like exam notes. Try making notes which help you to code. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more Java beginner friendly content. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep growing.